morning, everyone. My name is Patrick Dubois, and I work for AC Hydraulic, manufacturers of premium shop equipment. What you're seeing here is a wheel handler, and the reason this came about is really to safely handle big tire assemblies in the shop. We want to make sure that nobody gets hurt, prevent injuries and so forth. And the way this works basically is that we have a pump handle here, and you will grab the tire assembly onto the cart. You can therefore attach it securely on the cart itself. Then we can move it around the shop, do what we need to do, and when the time comes to put the wheel assembly back onto the implement, the tractor, whatever the vehicle may be, with a simple flick of a handle, we will release the jaws, which releases the wheel assembly, and to make sure that we can position it on the vehicle appropriately, you'll notice here with the turn handle, we can therefore clock the wheel holes onto the studs of the vehicle, making this a very, very seamless install. Again, with safety and ergonomics in mind, our distributor here, Stecan, carries these, and they're available for distribution at any point in time. Just give them a call and they'll ship one to you.